Hey guys, look where I am! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be here. And I haven't seen Tuesday morning for since the last time I put up a Tuesday morning visit. Anyway, so excited to be here. Let's get in. Here's the new arrival section, guys. It is so bare and so sad. This used to be the quilting area, but now it is the yarn area too. I was told that the store was opened last week. I visited this past weekend, so my gosh, it looks like this area has been picked through. And this is obviously the adhesive area, and I'm just a little sad that there's not a lot of products that there usually is in this store. I was told that there was a small delivery. The delivery here in the store is every Wednesday. So the delivery that they had was last weekend or last week, and obviously there's not a lot that they delivered for the craft section. So the last rack was the obviously the markers and the pen section. We are now going to the stamps and die cut section. Let's move on to the embellishment and sticker section. Onto the vinyl and punches and washi tape section. Moving on to the stickers section and where we will find some alphabet stickers. And on to the card section rack. Okay, on to my most favoriteest, if that's even a word, section, papers. And here's the tool rack, guys. Lots of tools here. And on to our project life section, guys. Baking ware section, guys. And I call the rest of this section here the miscellaneous section. It's got stencils, it's got frames and whatnots. On to the clearance section, guys. This clearance section used to be 2 racks, and now it's just what, 2/3 of a rack? Well, I am back from Tuesday morning, guys, and I'm a little disappointed. That's a store that I normally go to, and there's not a lot of products there if you've noticed. I mean, the new arrivals was very bare, and then of course the actual craft aisle looked like it had been picked through. Their clearance rack, well, she saw, was almost, almost empty. Whereas before that was like almost 2 racks. But that's okay. I talked to the people there and they did say that they just opened last week and they had a very small shipment last Wednesday. And so they're hoping to get bigger shipment next week. So we'll see. I mean, this week. So we will see. I just want to show you the haul that I got from there. It's not a huge haul, but let me start and show you what I have here. So let me take them out of the bag. the first item that is on top here is Project Life. And notice there's two in here in this package. And there's two of this in same kind. And look at the SKU and the price, guys. It's like $4.99 for both. I mean, you guys know, I mean, if you're Project Lifers, you know that how expensive each Project Life package is. But anyway, and so these two are only $4.99. I want to see, I was curious why they were like $4.99. Again, I saw another package like this there and at the store, and I was really curious. I'm like, why are they selling this for like buy one get one kind of deal, right? Oh no, they're still intact, guys. So look, this is the Favorite Things edition, and this is a very vibrant, colorful edition, and this is what it looks like. This is the Favorite Things edition, guys. And then the second one in the package is Dreamy. I was very curious because I was like, I was so tempted to get the other one too. No, if it's there when I go back, I'll definitely get it. But anyway, this is Dreamy, and this is more pastel colors. And that's what it looks like. Anyway, so that's, both of those are $4.99 as I mentioned earlier. I only bought 4 items really. Those two plus this one. I saw this. This is $1.99. There's a SKU in the price. And it looks like it was brought in February of this year. And then you saw me haul this before. So I'm going to use this and put this in my crop bag. This is what I was excited about, because I've seen Webster's pages there before, but when I went there last, this wasn't there. So let me go through the paper pad. By the way, here's the SKU and the price before I look into this. Normally their paper pads are like $6.99 and they're thicker, double the size of this, but this is double-sided too. So there's the back and there's the front. So really cute paper pack, I thought, and I just went ahead and grabbed it because of the color. Again, it's very vibrant. Summer's coming up, and hopefully we'll be able to go out for summer. See how beautiful this paper pad is. I just love Webster's pages. So just going through it quickly with you guys. I love this. Isn't that beautiful? And then look at this, guys. Isn't that beautiful? I love Webster's pages, as I'm sure you have noticed. So these are the papers for this packet. There's a couple more packets that I didn't pick up. Now really, I'm not sure why I didn't pick them up. Now I'm thinking about it. I'm like, maybe I should have picked those up. Anyway, there you go. A very small haul today, guys. I'm really hoping that they're going to start bringing in more crafty products in that store. I really love that store. It's one of the best stores that we have here in our area. So I hope you enjoyed my walkthrough at Tuesday morning after the lockdown, and I hope to see you soon. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.